Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Sunday 19th of June. Now, story still continues, the market is still bearish, we're still running down. The last point of survival is at the $25. Now look at this, I'm just going to talk about the weekly very quickly. So one touch, second touch, third touch right over there, which actually means $25.9 is an interesting level to look for moving forward. The reason really is because if you somehow come down here to drop to that level, $19, and come back for the retest, $25, and fail the retest, then there's a good chance you're still going to continue to go to the downside. So the market is still kind of bearish, it's really running down, and the next big level of support is down here, the $4.56. So imagine coming all the way from $250 all the way down to $4.56. But before that one, you still have a $12 as your next big level of support. So that's the only support I'm looking for at this current time. At least for now, you are holding this level. Okay, you haven't lost it. This is the level that you're holding. Boom, you haven't lost it. As long as you're not losing it, you're not coming down here. But I'm just preparing you for the worst, that if you lose it, backtest and fail this level, it's a $12 drop, right? And then you lose this, it's all the way down here because you don't have any other big level of support moving forward. If it ever comes down to 4.2, oh my freaking goodness, man, my freaking goodness, imagine getting it at $4.5. Now the beauty of bear is that you become a millionaire in a bear market, right? So from there, if it actually ever goes back to its all-time high, that's like 5,000% increase. But not only that, if you do go to $1,000 or $800, man, oh man, damn, my freaking goodness, man. But anyway, it is what it is, and that's it for today's quick update on Solana. That's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.